Okay, so good morning, Mr. Tan. My name is Chen Chong Yi, and in this project, my role is as a senior manager of Botak Construction. So, my part is we're going to talk about earth support, basement construction, and concrete handling. So, here is other detail for me. This is my email and my phone number. So yeah, so continue to the next part. So, earth support, yeah, we're choosing for the earth support, which is diaphragm walls. Okay, so chosen system diaphragm wall, or usually we call D walls and plus barrettes. So why is it? So diaphragm wall, it got high stiffness, so it can control ground movement near heritage shop lot. As my members talk about it, our project is beside roadworks and also beside a heritage building in Penang. So for diaphragm wall, it's also a watertight with proper joints, so it can prevent the water from coming in. So it's also compatible with top-down construction. Yeah. So next, which is the earth support construction sequence. So we got two phase, which is the first one is phase one, which is we will do the guide wall and survey control. So a small guide walls are built first about 1 meter deep to keep diagonal wall crabs aligned. So other than that, for the survey control is point are fixed to ensure vertical tolerance by plus minus 50 meters, 50 mm. So other than that, this step is critical in Penang because uneven walls could cause leakage or excess movement near heritage shop house. Yeah. So for the slurry plant and mud handling. Okay, so the slurry plant and mud handling. So we will use bentonite or polymer slurry support the trench during excavation to prevent it from collapse, right? So a slurry plant with a tank is set up on site, and excavate spoil is loaded into seal bins and hauled away only during night windows approved by MBPP. Yeah, when we work in Penang at the night time, we will also needed a approval from MBPPs to prevent our company to be saman, right? So yeah, and next one is excavate and cast the D wall panels. So diaphragm walls panels are excavated with a craft or hydrophrase, then it's cleaned at the base. So stout end pipes and water bars are inserted to seal the joints between the diaphragm walls. So other than that, the reinforcement cage are slower and concrete using the Tremi methods. By using the Tremi method, it's straightforward, right? So it keeps out the slurry, it's kept the slurry out, ensure the continuous placement. Yeah. So by using this method, this make the D wall both and the retaining system and permanent basement wall. So for the next one, for the phase 2, which is we install the barrettes plus plunge column for the core loads. So next one is capping beam plus monitoring. Okay, so for the capping beam plus monitoring, a capping beam ties the D-wall heads together to help it distribute the loads. Okay, so throughout the real-time monitoring instrument track ground movement, vibration, and settlement of surrounding shop lot. Yeah, it's a important thing to us as to prevent the shop lot or the heritage building be damaged. Yeah, so the last thing is visual and timeline flowchart. So usually this work is at weeks 38 until 50. Yeah. So for next, which is the basement construction, we're using the top-down method. So it got advantages, which is the minimal footprint, less traffic disruption because you start the work at the bottom first, so you will not disturb. You will have lesser sound pollution. So as we can easily understand what is top-down, which is they join together two works, which is superstructure work and the basement work together in one method. So it's called top-down methods. So the slab act as a props. It's reduced wall movements and it's allow superstructure to start early, right? And then it's the top-down sequence. So the first of all, we will cast the straight level slab with access opening. So we will cast the whole slab and we leave one opening to our workers to go below or go down to works. And other than that, the excavate below via slab openings. Cast basement negative one, which is the basement floor. When it's done, cast the basement negative one, it will become a props, which is it will hold the building both side walls. So cast base rough, and we can also include anti-buoyancy design and waterproofing when casting the base rough. So remove back propping after strain gains. So after the concrete gain their strains, we can remove the back propping and continue to do the other works. So next, which is the concrete handling strategy. So our company, as stated earlier, we taking the concrete from the YTL company in Penang. So we using a ready mix, and usually we will plan our pour times is maybe 10 p.m. until 5 a.m., which is night time, due to Penang is the high traffic problem areas. So yeah, suitable time is night, and the temperature for the concrete is usually equals or below than 32 Celsius. Like we're using and the slump and cube test is needed, and early stage strength check is also needed. So for the method we're using is mobile boom pump. Although our site have a tower crane, but for this early stage thing, tower crane is quite slow. So and yeah, it's consume a lot of time, and mobile boom pump is more suitable because it can park beside the roadside and it's fast and efficient placement. You got small footprint, reduce labor, and it's also a wide cold joint when matched with the just-in-time delivery from YTL Penang. So yeah, this one is a suitable method. So the other method is Tremi for D walls. It's line pump up as a backup. Yeah. So monitoring and safety. So a real-time instrument like inclinometer, piezometer, settlement markers. So three of these things is important for us to make sure that beside heritage building is safety. Like it doesn't happen any settlement for the heritage building by drop below the ground, or inclinometer, which is to check the incline degree for the buildings. Yeah. So other than that is a crack gouge on shop house. It's act as a heritage protection. And other than that is also trigger action level tied to method adjustment. And the last of all is traffic and community management. So yeah, when we work at Penang, we will need approval from MPPP and the traffic control, which is from the traffic department. Yeah. So then the conclusion is, I think best method for Penang is top-down plus diaphragm wall due to it's beside the busy road and heritage building, and we also provide safety for heritage surrounding to make sure their building keeps the safety there, and we also enable concurrent construction, so time saving. Mobile boom pumps ensure efficiency, clean and safe concrete placing. Yeah, that's all. That's all for me. Thank you.